Hello, my friends. Today we are traveling back in time, but not to see the past. We are going to meet a man who was living in the future while everyone else was stuck in the Middle Ages. Imagine a world without electricity, without engines, and without even basic medicine. Now, imagine a man in that world drawing blueprints for a helicopter, a combat tank, and a robot. This isn't science fiction. This is the real life of Leonardo da Vinci. Why did he write his secrets in reverse? Why are there hidden codes in his paintings? And was he just a genius? Or did he truly see the future? Let's find out. Leonardo was born in a small village called Vinci. He didn't go to a fancy school. His school was nature. He spent hours watching birds fly and water flow. This curiosity is our first key word today. Curiosity. He didn't just look at a bird. He wanted to know how it flew. He started dissecting things to understand their inner workings. He believed that to paint life, you must understand the mechanics of life. This led him to become a master of anatomy. Now, here is where it gets crazy. Leonardo's notebooks are filled with over 13,000 pages of notes and drawings. But he wrote them in mirror writing. You need a mirror to read his words. Was he hiding his ideas from the church or from rivals? Look at his drawings. He designed an aerial screw. Today, we call it a helicopter. He designed it in the 1400s. He also designed a parachute, an armored car like a tank, and even a diving suit. He was dreaming of things that wouldn't be built for another 500 years. He was truly ahead of his time. But Leonardo was not just an engineer. He was a man of deep mystery. Did you know he was a vegetarian in a time when almost everyone ate meat? He loved animals so much that he used to buy birds in cages just to set them free. He watched them fly away and studied the movement of their wings. This shows us that his genius came from his kindness and respect for all living things. And he was also a master of music. Many people don't know that Leonardo was an incredible musician. He played the lyre beautifully and even designed new musical instruments that the world had never seen. For him, science, art, and music were all connected. He believed that everything in the universe is linked together in a beautiful pattern. Of course, we cannot talk about Leonardo without the Mona Lisa. But did you know he worked on this painting for 16 years? He never even finished it. Some say her smile changes because of a technique he invented called sfumato. And then there's the Last Supper. Some researchers believe there are musical notes hidden in the positions of the hands and the bread. Others think there are hidden messages about the future of humanity. Leonardo didn't just paint. He created puzzles. Despite all his fame, Leonardo was a lonely man. He had no wife or children. He lived for his work and his inventions. Leonardo once said, "Iron rusts from disuse, so does inaction spoil the intellect." He never stopped learning. Even on his deathbed, he apologized to God because he felt he didn't do enough. Can you imagine? The man who invented the future thought he wasn't productive enough. Leonardo da Vinci teaches us that history isn't just about dates. It's about the power of the human imagination. So, my friends, what do you think? If Leonardo were alive today, what would he invent? Maybe a way to travel to other galaxies? Or a way to speak with animals? Tell me your wildest ideas in the comments below. I love reading your English practice. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our journey and subscribe to English Through History for more epic stories. See you in the next discovery. Bye-bye.